Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to change your GTBank transfer PIN for 2025. Whether you're beefing up your security or just updating for the new year, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. GTBank has made this process straightforward, but it's always good to double-check the steps to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest GTBank mobile app installed on your phone. If not, head to your App Store, download it, and log in with your usual credentials, your username and password. Once you're in, security is key, so ensure you're on a secure network. Now, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Settings or Security option. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Tap on that, and then find the Transfer PIN or Transaction PIN section. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to enter your current transfer PIN for verification. Type it in carefully to proceed. Next, you'll need to create a new PIN. GTBank recommends using a strong combination, maybe a mix of numbers and letters if available, to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Enter your new PIN, then confirm it by typing it again. Double check for any typos. After that, hit the Submit or Confirm button. You might get a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered phone number or email for extra verification. Enter that code promptly, and voila, your transfer PIN is updated. It should take just a minute or two. Remember, always keep your PIN confidential and change it regularly, especially with new banking features rolling out in 2025. If you run into any issues, GTBank's customer support is there to help. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more banking tips, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.